guys, Sweet Nails here. Most of you know what this bowl is. This is my mixing bowl. We're going to do a glitter mix today. This is going to be a pink and black mix. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, the first thing that I'm going to add is this light pink pearl in 0.94. This is regular versus some water around, so you can't get your step, sorry. No, not black, obviously, but it's cool, man. It's cool. Okay, I'm going to add in these black pearl hexies in a 0.40. Okay, I have these. Oh my god. They're following me everywhere. Why? Okay, it's just like, wow, always here. Okay. Let me put in some black skull and crossbone spangles. So awesome. Love them. I'm also going to put in some black hearts. Basically all of them. Yeah? Should I just basically put all of them in? All of them in. I just bought these. Do you guys remember? On my haul? Well, no, these videos are going to get posted a lot later than my haul videos, but okay. Maybe I'll just keep these ones just, or maybe I'll just sort it. Okay, let me stir this up and see. we're going here. Oops. Okay, I still feel like we need more black, so I am going to add more black to this. Okay, more black pearl at 0.40. Get in there, hurt. Okay. Okay, I think I've done it. I think it looks pretty good. I'm kind of happy with it. Oh, frig. What's a girl do? I'm going to put in the rest of the skulls. Black skulls. Get in there, black skull. I will not have this today. Thank you. Okay. I know that's not near enough. Where are my black 125s? They fall down there? Everything is missing. Everything. Where are those? They're not underneath my camera. I think I just lost them somehow in this desk of mine. Not on the floor, folks. I'm just going to pause for a moment. I apologize. Okay, guys, I found them. Here, they are black hexies in a .125. You can see how large they are. I need this, like, pop of large black in here. We're not really getting it with the spades, so... Do I put them all in? No, I don't put them all in. Alright. Here is my pink and black mix. I think it is groovy cool. I hope you guys enjoy it as well. I'm just going to kind of keep stirring it for a minute. I know the lighting is kind of awful, guys. I'm so sorry. I wonder if this would help if I turn on my light. I feel like this needs more fine. More fine black glitter. What do I do? Okay. I do have this Art Minds Extra Fine Glitter, and it's in onyx. I'm just going to put it in. Whatever's left. Just a little half teaspoon, I guess you could say. I guess you could say. I wish I had more of that dark black. Okay. Let's give this a stir again. I swear I need more fine, guys. One moment, though. Okay, guys, I have another one of those crystal black. It's just a flat, or a shiny, I should say, black. Same as the first one I put in there. Put this, make my life easier. There we go. Oh, please don't use enough fine black glitter. Okay, I think that's like enough fine. But I still want more black. So I did find these black glitter strips. These are the short slices. So they're very small. They're, I believe these are 0.35 by 0.662 or something. I think. I don't know. I don't know. Oh, shit. Alright. Well, we did want more black, so we're getting it, I guess. Okay, and I'm also going to put in another scoop of this black variety in a 0.40. This is a lot of glitter. I have to bag all this up. I need an army of people to bag all these glitters for this convention in a week. Okay. Yes. Okay, I'm much happier with this now. I feel like there's like equal parts of pink, equal parts of black, and it's all different pinks. So I'm enjoying that immensely. So there we go. There we have it. This is a pink and black mix. I don't have a name for it yet. I'm sure I will come up with this or a name by the time I post this glitter video. So thanks guys for watching, and until next time, I love your guts, and peace out. Bye. Okay guys, I have my glitter mix done here. I have my clear acrylic and my poppet. I'm just going to pick up some clear and then dip it into the mix. Okay. I'm going to get it a little bit wet so I can pick up, you know, a fair amount, nice amount. Like, press it in. Okay. Big chunks in here, so it's gonna, might be a little bit difficult to move it around. I think it's super cute. I need more water. This is still dry. Okay. What? Oops. Let's go in. Is it better with the light on? I think so. Okay, that was a lot nicer to work with. Less stuff on it. I think it's awesome. I like the really big black ones, but you don't have to have them in, of course, you can put them on like your nail. And the skull and crossbones, so cute. And those whole hearts, really pretty. Okay, yes, now I'm ready to say peace out. Thanks guys for watching. Love your guts.